Hello, Zan here, back with another video this week, and today we are gonna repair an Audi rails that got damaged by putting all on the roof racks. Let's check it out. Hey, before we get started, I just want to say thank you for checking out this video today. Please click that like and subscribe button down below. So now let's get to it. So here you can see the damage that was caused by putting on roof racks. The other rail had exactly the same damage, but I'm just going to show this one, just not to bore you guys. We are gonna fix this by glue pulling using KECO tabs and gangrene tabs with a Tiddy slide hammer and also a Kiwi slide hammer. The video is recorded by this angle so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I will speed things up. Before I start glue pulling, I just want to buff it a bit because there were scratches here and I just needed to do that so I can see better what I am doing. During the repair process, I will change my camera angle a bit because I needed to change my light as well, and I wanted you to get the best view you can. It's really hard to record everything and get the perfect shot so you can see everything, but the camera was in my way for a period of time and I couldn't see exactly what I needed to do. Now let's speed things up to 4 times the speed and get this thing going. I changed the camera angle and the light angle at this point as the crease was out and we just needed to get it flat. part was cut because I was using my knockdown and unfortunately all you could see was my elbow. I do apologize for that. At this point I was really struggling to get to the right angle to see what I was doing because the camera was in my way, so I had to change the camera position and finish the dent off. The dent came out great, you can still see the scratches there, but a quick sand with the 3000 sanding paper and buffing it out and we're gonna have a really nice repair. There we go, no more scratches and no more dent, all nice and shiny. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Press the like button and I will see you on the next one.